Hi there! Today I'll share how to make a soft and elegant bun which is perfect for any last-minute plans. To start with, brush out the hair and put it up into a high ponytail. When you're doing the final loop, don't pull all the hair out and leave most of the ends inside. Take the ends and wrap them around the ponytail. You can play around a bit and secure the bun with bobby pins. Pull out a few strands in the front area to add a little texture. Finish the look with a bit of hairspray. Here you go! If you liked our tutorial, please follow us on our YouTube channel.